Some strange noises brought Milo out of the hen house. What was all this about? Hey, could you cut that out? Milo said. Hey! But the bird just ignored him. Hey! Oh, hey, your singing stinks. Will you quit it? Hello in there.